Although tempted to call the wife of Vice President Jejomar Binay to face the car park building probe, Senator Antonio Trillanes IV has decided to forgo the move. He said this would only make the Binays look like martyrs.
It's a politically touchy issue na ayaw natin gawing martir itong mga ito. So, while ako parang gusto natin ipatawag, pero sensitive din tayo dun sa mga ganyang issue. At sa akin, ba't mo nahayaan yung asawa mo magpaliwanag? Ikaw na lang, ikaw yung padre di pamilya.
Mrs. Elenita Binay's name has been repeatedly mentioned in the past hearings of the Blue Ribbon Subcommittee as one of those who allegedly received kickbacks when the Vice President was still the mayor of Makati.
At ang akin pong nababasa, kaya nagkaganon ang sobrang overprice sa bawat building na ginagawa ni Hillmark sa Makati, nauobligaho na akapin ni Engineer Morales at ni Engineer Canlas na i-add on yung walang tigil na pagpapagawa ni Dr. Binay dyan sa lugar na yan. Maski ayaw ho ni Engineer Canlas sana.
This is Christine Sabilio reporting for Inquirer.net.